So, hello, boys and girls. Look who's decided to join me. This is Brody. Oh, Rosie's getting jealous in the background. Yeah, here's Brody, huh? Yeah, he's my cuddle buddy. He likes to snuggle a lot. So, anyway, it's time for our science video. So, we're going to work on our science video while Brody lays here with me. All right, if you can turn your science book to page 179, 179, we're on lesson 4, how do people use natural resources? So that's what we're going to work on right now. Okay, 179. People use earth materials for many things. A natural resource is a useful material found on earth. Water is a natural resource. Rocks and soil are natural resources. Plants and animals are natural resources too. So again, a natural resource is a useful material found on the earth. So water, rocks, soil, plants, and animals are all examples of natural resources. It says circle one natural resource in the picture. So if you look at the picture on page 179 over here, not at the top, but down here, can you name me one of the natural resources? Well, if you circled the grass, if you circled the water or the soil, which is the dirt, or even if you circled the animal, you would be correct. So if you circled any of those, like it shows in mine, you can go ahead and if you want to circle all of them, you can, or you can just circle one. Now at the bottom, it says, write how you use the natural resource. So think of what are some of the natural resources. Again, water, rocks, soil, plants, animals. How do you use a natural resource? Well, do you drink water? You could put that. Do you use water to take a bath? You could put that down. You could say that if you have a garden in your backyard, you could say that you use soil to grow the plants. Those are two natural resources. So go ahead and do that. If you need mom and dad to help you, you can do that. So go ahead and write your answer. They give you 2 lines to write your answer. Make sure to use a capital letter for the beginning of your sentence and make sure you have a period at the end. You can pause the video if you want, so you can write your answer. All right, on page 180, says sunlight and wood. Sunlight is a natural resource. People use heat and light from the sun. Sunlight makes plants grow. Sunlight can never be used up. God is always going to have the sun for us, and it's never going to be used up. Wood is also a natural resource. People use wood to build many things. People burn wood for heat. If you have a fireplace and you put wood in there, or if you have like a fire pit in your backyard that you burn wood, you can use that for heat. People can plant trees to grow more wood. If people didn't plant more trees, eventually we would run out of wood as a natural resource. But if people plant trees after they've cut some down, the new trees grow and then we'll have more wood. But if people did not plant new trees, we would eventually run out of a resource of wood. Says circle the natural resource that can never be used up. We're always going to have it. And what would that answer be, boys and girls? If you said sunlight, you are correct. So you see the first word on this page, sunlight right here, not the title right there, but the first word of the first sentence, sunlight. If you'd put a circle around that, please. Next, it says underline how people can get more wood. Well, if you said they plant trees, you would be correct. So you see the last sentence on this page? Will you please underline the last sentence? It says people can plant trees to grow more wood. So it's 2 lines, but it's 1 sentence. So underline that, please. Good job. At the bottom, it says write about something else people make with wood. So besides building houses, which they talked about, what is another way what is something else that people make with wood? If you said chairs or desks, you would be correct. I would like you to write a complete sentence. Mom and Dad can help you, like people use wood to build a desk or people use wood to build a chair. That would be perfectly fine. You can pause the video so Mom and Dad can help you write your sentence, okay? All right. Next on page 181, that looks like this, we're going to talk about oil and copper. Oil is a natural resource. Gasoline is made from oil, like gas that mom and dad use to put in the car so you can go places. They probably haven't put too much gas in the car lately because we haven't been able to go to many places. But gas is made from oil. People use energy from gasoline to power cars. Oil can be used up just like wood can be used up. Copper is another natural resource. People use copper to make wire. Copper can be used up. Guess what else? So there's a picture of gasoline. There's a picture of copper, like we have copper wires. Also, pennies are made from copper. It says gasoline is a source of energy. That's what we use to fuel our cars. Copper is a metal that comes from earth. All right, boys and girls, I've kind of cut down your science lesson. We are going to finish the next 2 pages. We're going to do that on Thursday, okay? So I just wanted to kind of ease up a little bit on Wednesday, which is today, and just make it a little bit easier for you so you can kind of enjoy. I hope you're getting plenty of exercise, and I have somebody that wants to say goodbye to all of you. Can you say goodbye, Max? Say bye. Say bye. Oh, and there's Rosie, too. All right, boys and girls. Talk to you later. See you on Thursday.